As a human, everyone faces or falls in some official matters. Every celebrity once was a normal guy, and some went to jail before getting famous, and some even after being a celebrity. So, today we are going to take a look on top celebrities who went to jail for serious criminal offense. Before starting, I would request you to subscribe because you will forget at the end. We bring you amazing facts every week. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Number 1, Justin Bieber. Who doesn't know Justin Bieber, the Canadian sensation who became a global sensation in young age? But do you know Justin Bieber was once arrested in Miami Beach, Florida? Police have released footage of pop star Justin Bieber in Miami Beach jail following him arrest on 23rd January. Bieber at the age of 19 was arrested, charged with resisting an arrest and driving with invalid license, as well as racing a Miami Beach street with rented yellow Lamborghini. Number 2, Robert Downey Jr. From Iron Vase to Iron Man, the journey was not easy. Superstar Robert Downey Jr., most known as Iron Man, was sent to prison for violating probation. But why? But why was he on probation in the first place? In 1996, police found heroin, cocaine, and a pistol in the actor's car when he was pulled over for overspeeding. Robert Downey Jr. was granted a pardon for this conviction in 2015. However, the incident will remain on his permanent record. Number 3, Mike Tyson. The most successful fighter and the most respected boxer of all time was once sent to jail for a serious criminal offense that left everyone astonished. Mike Tyson, the former heavyweight champion, was convicted of rape, was sentenced to 10 years in prison, but the judge suspended the last 4 years, meaning he spent no more than 6 years in bar. During his imprisonment, he also turned his religion to Islam. Number 4, Snoop Dogg. One of the biggest rappers, Snoop Dogg has many bad phases in his life, as well as he is at a height today where no one can be. But do you know Snoop Dogg, aka Calvin Broadus, aka Snoop, aka the D.O.G.G, was charged with first-degree murder after a member of rival gang was shot and killed by Snoop Dogg's bodyguard by Kinley Lee, aka Malik, who fired the shot while in then 20 years old rapper's vehicle. Number 5, James Brown. Famous American singer and songwriter of the vintage was arrested on several charges. Brown, 17, known as the Godfather of the Soul, was previously accused in 1995 of beating his wife Adrienne. He served a 2.5-year sentence for drug and assault charges from 1988. In 1988, he was convicted of drug offense but was granted a pardon by his home state of South Carolina in some interval of time. Number 6, Bill Cosby. The laughter king Bill Cosby, who was America's well-known comedian and most beloved by millions, once known as America's Dad, was sentenced Tuesday to 3 to 10 years in a state prison for drugging and sexually assaulting Andrea Constant at his home 16 years ago. Cosby's bail was revoked and he was escorted from the courthouse in handcuffs. Number 7, Mark Wahlberg. Film Fear, The Departed, and so much of well-known blockbusters American movies. Actor had to see his days and nights behind the bars for a while. Wahlberg was, with attempted murder, pleaded guilty to be felony assault and was sentenced to 2 years in jail, but served only his 45 days of his sentence, thanks to his luck. Number 8, Michael Jackson. The globally recognized god of dance, inventor of his own dance style, and his most famous moonwalk was accepted globally. But the law never treats someone as a celebrity. It's same for everyone, and this is the proof. On December 18, 2003, Jackson was charged with 7 counts of child molestation and 2 counts of administering an intoxicating agent for the purpose of committing the felony. So these were some of the most popular celebs who made it to prison once. Comment below the most astonishing celeb for you in this list. Share the video, like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much.